Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a hotel review. My friend came to visit me in LA and he's staying at the London Hotel in West Hollywood, which is a 5-star hotel, and I want to show you guys what the room has to offer. Alright, first off, we've got the bathroom. It's got a deep soaking tub with a wand, which is really a rare find. Most hotel bathrooms don't have that, even soaking tubs really don't. So that's kind of cool. You've got a full-length body mirror, and the whole bathroom has got this like white tile kind of design, very classic look. Got a backlit mirror here, which is great. Another full-length mirror. Then you've got your usual stuff like your glasses. It's got your amenities. It even has a menu for if you want to get hair, nails, makeup done. You can set appointments for haircuts, blow dry. It's really cool to have that. And then of course you've got your hand towels, your tissues, hair dryer, the usual, another mirror. Then you've got your toilet for your other towels here. And the best part of the entire bathroom is the shower. You've got a normal shower head here, full-length mirror, and then a rainfall shower head and a wand. It can comfortably fit 2 people, and it's West Hollywood, so, parties happen, people like it. And your girlfriend or your wife, whoever you bring here, she's gonna love it because there's a lot of mirrors, and you guys can shower together. A lot of value of this hotel room. You really get a better deal than a lot of bathrooms at nice hotels. Like, it's better than Aria, it's better than Bellagio. One of the better bathrooms I've actually ever seen for this price range. For the main attraction, the room, we have the 2 double bed option. There is a king suite option that has a seating area, but there's not enough room for a seating area in the 2 double option. Here are the closets. Pretty standard, a lot of hanging space. Of course, you got a shelf up there. And then here's another closet. You got your safe, you've got 2 bathrobes, and I've never seen them packaged like that, but hey, it's probably more hygienic, and honestly, they seem pretty comfy, so I don't know. And then you've got your ironing board. Good to have for, we want to iron a dress shirt or something. And then, you got your desk area with a big TV. I think it's like a 55-inch. Another mirror. They love mirrors in this hotel room. And then you've got your Bluetooth speaker clock. And you've got a lamp with outlets so you can charge your phone at night. Another drawer. And then we have our minibar area with a coffee maker. Got some leftovers just sitting here. But there's, San Pellegrino, there's Icelandic water, we got gin, Johnny Walker, some cookies, a lot of snacks. Charging kit. And then in here you've got the mini fridge stocked up with some champagne, wine, White Claws, gin and tonic stuff, and then you've got more water and coffee in here, which is good to have, and a sink, which is pretty rare to have in a hotel minibar. Now for the best part of the room, we have the balcony. It's got a nice little seating area here, and then we have a view of the city. We're facing south from the hills. There is an option if you're on the other side of the building to get a view of the hills, but we thought a city view would be better. We're on the 4th floor to give you an idea. The building does have 9 floors and a rooftop pool, and all the amenities you expect. It's got a little gym, and it's got a couple restaurants, and you got breakfast included with a buffet, which is pretty rare these days in hotels. So that's it, and we'll see you guys next time with more reviews.